So today I'm going to make a lemon drizzle cake. It's a super simple cake to make. It's nice and moist, it's fresh, it's lemony, it's just perfect with a cup of tea, and it's delicious. I've got a loaf tin here, and I've got some baking parchment. I'm just going to take a small amount of this, and then just sort of grease the sides and the bottom of this loaf tin. Then we're going to pop that in there, and then you want to get your oven on. It's a very simple measurement. It's 230, 230, 230. So you want to cream this butter and sugar together until it forms like a paste. So I've got 3 large eggs. Whack them in, and then beat those eggs into the buttercream. You're probably going to have to switch to a whisk at this point. And I've switched back over to a spoon, because what we're going to do is sift this flour in and fold it in gently. And then simply pour your cake batter into your tin, and then just sling it in the oven. Right, so the cake's about 10 minutes away now. So what we're going to do is make our lemon drizzle. We want 50 grams of caster sugar. Now remember the 2 lemons that we used earlier for the zest? Now we want the juice. And then the best thing to do is just squeeze everything into a jug. Don't worry about the pips, because then what you can do is just pour the lemon juice through a sieve, and it's going to collect all the gubbins. And then just mix that lemon juice and sugar together, and that is your drizzle. So next thing we need to do is get that drizzle on there whilst it's still warm. So again, just taking a skewer or cocktail stick, whatever, just poke holes randomly all the way across the top of the cake. And then taking your lemon drizzle, you just want to spoon that evenly all over the cake until it sort of absorbs into those holes. Right, so the cake is cooled down slightly, and then I'm literally going to spoon this over. Pop this into the fridge just so the icing can set and firm up nicely. Also, you can just kind of decorate the cake with just the icing, but I've been messing around with this little thing. It's called an Edibot. Basically, it's the first AI portable full colour food printer. Essentially what this gadget does is it prints full colour, like images, photos, icons, directly onto your food, like cookies, cakes, biscuits, all sorts of stuff. Even your nice frothy coffee. It has a whopping 1200 DPI resolution, so you get a nice crisp image of whatever it is you're printing on. 100,000 plus colours, and it's completely safe because it's edible ink. And there's over 500 plus templates all ready for you to use on the app. What I was also impressed with this as well is the amount of prints you can get out of this. 30,000 plus prints from this tiny little device. So I figured, as I'm making a lemon drizzle cake, I'm going to print some lemons on it. So I'm just going to take my little Edibot printer, pop it on our template, and then you just swipe it across. It's got a lemon on it! I'm going to move it across. I'm going to do another one. There's another lemon! The app as well, it's got an AI function. So you can, you know, if there's nothing available in the library already, or if you don't want to upload your own image, you can ask AI to create something for you. If you want to put an image of an animal, flowers, icons, even American football teams on a biscuit, you can. You can even put Dominic Matteo on a potato if you want. But for someone that doesn't bake, I think this has turned out really well. So let's give it a try. It's lemony, it's moist, it's sweet, good bit of cake that. And if you'd like to pick up one of these little Edibots for yourself, simply follow my link in the description, head over to their Kickstarter campaign and pick one up for yourself.